Every step of the journey in life gives us little hope to witness the best things. The best things often come after the hardest steps. This time, my journey is to witness one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka, Bomboru. The hike to Bomboru begins at Peravalla village. The journey starts with 100 steps, which can make you feel tired right from the start. Though the first part is challenging, you will feel that the effort is well worth when you reach the waterfall. This was my breakfast with a beautiful view.
කොච්චරද යන්න ඕනේ? කිලෝමීටර් එකයි. මගින්න මොනවත් නැහැ නේ?
උඩට පොට්ටක් තියෙනවා අර වගේ අමාරු නෑ. කියන්නේ සතිය මැද දවස්වල නම්
නෑ නේ.
100ක් වන්නේ විතරයි. නැත්නම් මේ වීකෙන්ඩ් එකේ තමයි
වීකෙන්ඩ් එකේ තමයි කට්ටිය වෙන්නේ. ඒක සීසන් එකක් තියෙනවද නැත්නම්
නෑ එහෙම නෑ.
කට්ටිය එන විදියට.
ඒක රාතියටම කියන්න බෑ ඒක අමාරු දවස්.
ඒ දවස් 3ක් එහෙම සෙට් නැත කියලා මේ
ඒකනේ
දැන් ඊළඟ සතියේ කියලා දවස් 3ක් සෙට් වෙනවා නේද? ඔයත් ලබන සතියේ.
ඔව්.
The path to the waterfall is incredibly beautiful. You will find many sellers along the trail selling various items. By visiting these types of waterfalls, we not only find peace but also see the happiness on the faces of the locals when we buy something from them. I think we should contribute to them, even if it's just a little. Bomboru is located within the Eliya forest reserve, giving visitors a chance to immerse themselves in lush greenery. You can often hear the soothing sound of flowing water as you hike along the trail. The trail itself takes about 25 minutes to reach the waterfall. When I walk along here, lots of things come to my mind. But one of the best things that came to my mind is that everyone should walk alone when they desire something. No matter how difficult it is or how long it takes, the aim to reach the goal will be truly worth it for yourself. So, I'm walking alone here to immerse myself in beautiful natural scenery that most people don't get a chance to see. In your life, when you do something after realizing its importance, you won't fail, but learn.
උල්පත අතර. මේක යන්නේ එතකොට? මේ වතුර යන්නේ?
යන්නේ. ඕක යන්නේ කවුද?
පල්ලය නේ.
මේ නෙවෙයි වැලිවල.
එමෙද?
ඔබ ගස්දෝව නුනුවත් යහල්ලා ඒක ඇත්තට.
මේ ගමට නෙමෙයි එතකොට. මේ ගමට නෙවෙයිනේ.
නෑ.
ඒතකොට මේගොල්ලෝ ඔයගොල්ලෝ යූස් කරන වෙලාව උල්පත අතර.
ඔව්. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ගෙදර තියෙනවා.
හරි පිටිපස්සේ තියෙනවානේ.
ඉතින් තියෙන ටැංකිය. ඒ ටැංකිය නිකන් වටදාලා මෙදී.
හරි.
Here, I reached the waterfall. This is truly a different perspective and feeling which I couldn't express. Especially the aerial view of it gives us a wonderful experience. The The overall height of the waterfall is about 230 feet. The best time to visit here is during the rainy season, when the waterfall is in full flow and you can see its majestic beauty at its peak. Bomboru is not only a picturesque spot, but also a part of Sri Lanka's natural heritage, providing water for cultivation and generating power for a nearby powerhouse. I couldn't get over the beauty of Bomboru. What an amazing feeling this is. On weekends, this place is filled with people eager to witness the stunning Bomboru. After all these chilling steps, I experienced a truly beautiful moment in my life. Being here at Bomboru, I realized that life can offer such beautiful moments if you face its challenges with your strength. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.